Well, I'm waiting for the rain, waiting for the storm. Clouds building up, I'm singing songs. Ain't no campfire that I got, ain't nothing else for me but sing along. May this world go by every day, may I never lose track of what I got, and say hello each day, may I always follow in my own footsteps, follow in the footsteps of others, keep myself above water, may I always take time to sing the praises, may I always take time to pray. These days, these ways are mine. And along the line, I meet people traveling, and they share what they're doing. Sometimes it's like mine, and sometimes it's not. But we're here sharing what we found out, and what we know, and what we learned.